PhotowalksTV TV this week is in the province of Nova Scotia, where I am blown away by all the wild colors. I mean, it's like Trix cereal come to life. Every home, every storefront, red, red, green, green, blue, blue, orange, orange. You get the idea. Lots of fun to photograph, lots of fun to see. Let's go check them out.
The Maritimes have always been bright and colorful from Nova Scotia to Newfoundland. Anytime you go to these places, you'll see the bright houses. And the idea of the bright houses goes back to the 18th century, is that the sailing ships coming home would see the bright houses through the fog or something, and that's how they get home to see where their port is. Now you get it that you like the bright buildings because the tourists love it, and it does look beautiful. So
it's great for photos.
Well, it is. And yes, we get photos all the time. So.
I have been running around Nova Scotia taking photos with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. That's the new phone with the bigger zoom lens. And of course, USB-C lets you plug in a thumb drive and a hard drive. And I love that. But let me tell you, if you have a 14, a 13, a 12, an 11, even a 10, don't feel left out. For these color shots, you're not going to probably need the big zoom lens. And if you do need to zoom in, use the best zoom lens in the world, which is your feet. Get closer to the action. But I do have a photo tip for you. The power lines sometimes show up right in the photo of these homes, and that could be problematic. So what to do? Again, zoom in with your feet. Climb under the wire, and they may just disappear. You know how I always say you get your best photos early in the morning or at the end of the day? That's when the colors are generally at their best. But when it comes to the wild colors of Nova Scotia, midday actually shines, because when the sun is beating down on those colors, they really illuminate. As you can tell, that's shade, and there's bright yellow. All right, so that's a quick look at the wild colors of Nova Scotia. We are currently exploring the province, and we will have a full-length episode of our journey from one end to the other in the coming weeks. Meanwhile, please stay tuned for more episodes of PhotowalksTV. We got plenty here to keep you entertained for a while. Meanwhile, I'm going back to taking photos. See you on the next photo walk, everyone. Bye-bye.